Quackers is a rubber duck. He lives in a big bathtub. Quackers has a big dream. He wants to sail the bathtub seas. One day, I'll sail to Cleanliness Castle.
Quackers, a bright yellow rubber duck with a determined expression, gazes across a bathtub filled with bubbles. He wears a tiny sailor's cap perched atop his head.
Hello, I'm Bubbles. Let's be bath time buddies.
One day a big bubble floats by. Bubbles is a friendly bubble, but Bubbles is also very mischievous.
Look, a fizzy volcano.
Quackers and Bubbles build a boat of soap. They use a sponge as an island. The volcano erupts. Bubbles giggle as the boat bobs up and down.
We need to hurry. We have toys to deliver.
Quackers and Bubbles sail on. They deliver all the toys to Cleanliness Castle. Bath time is fun with Quackers and Bubbles. S2, media group, children cheering with bath toys, kids having fun with bath toys in a bubbly bath at Stockade at distribute _ equally. Hooray!